All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to install the CTEK MXS 5.0 in my Audi R8. Stay tuned. Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode on Spending Jar. If you're new, my name is Charlie, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install the battery maintainer from CTEK on my Audi R8. It's a little different from my Honda videos that I usually do, which is right behind me, my daily driver. And if you guys didn't know, obviously I do own a Gen 2 Audi R8, which is right behind me. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and install that CTEK. Let's go ahead and pop that hood. All right, so obviously the first thing you wanna do is go ahead and pop that hood. There, you could go ahead and push that, and that will pop it open. Go ahead and lift her up. Go, you got the hood open. Okay, so this is probably where it gets confusing. As you can see, I already have my CTEK quick disconnect. I'll go ahead and take this out and show you guys how to start this from the beginning. If you can see, there are 3 latches, 1, 2, 3. You gotta pop this open down. The carpet liner is glued onto the plastic panel. Not sure why they designed it this way, and if you can see, if you close it, there's nothing to really grab on. It just flushes in, so you gotta be very careful when you do this. It's just like that. I don't know if you can even tell on the camera. You can kind of see where the carpet is here. I didn't put it all the way in to make it flush, but what you need is either a screwdriver, plastic pliers, if you want to be a little safe. Remember, there are 3 tabs. What I do is I put the screwdriver in the middle here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. And then you're gonna go ahead and pop that open. There you go, just like that. Once you get the middle open, the other 2 will be easy to pop out. 1, 2, and 3. And once you pop that open, I don't know if you guys could tell, there is a positive post right over there and a negative post right over there. There's a plus, can't see the minus, but that's obviously the ground. I apologize if I'm sweating right now. It's super hot, it's about 100 degrees out, plus I'm in my garage. So the CTEK comes with 2 quick disconnects. You got one for the battery terminal if you want to permanently mount this to your battery, or the second one that I have are these guys, these little claws have you probably seen from those jumper cables. I'm gonna use this to go ahead and install the CTEK. All right, so once you got the panel open, red is positive, black is negative, or your ground. Go and put your positive, the red on the post right there, if you can see it, and then your negative right over there. Simple as that. And of course, here is a quick disconnect. All right, hopefully this is not too dark and you guys can see that. Remember, once you got the quick disconnect onto the battery terminals, just go ahead and plug these in. There is a clip right here and a yellow clip here. You just like that, makes that noise, and you're set to go. And of course, the CTEK itself, you then now go ahead and plug it in to a outlet, which I got right over here. Go and put her in, and then the CTEK will start doing its thing. It has different numbers that indicate what it's doing right now. It's a great way to maintain your battery if you park your car for a very prolonged time, especially maybe during the winters. If your car is just parked for 2-3 months at a time, you definitely want to get a battery maintainer, not a battery tender that just gives energy but actually maintains it. Today it's not a review about the CTEK, it's just for me to show you guys how to go ahead and put it in. I don't think I've seen too many videos of anyone actually showing them installing the CTEK, specifically in an Audi R8. So hopefully this video helps out for those Audi R8 owners out there. Appreciate you guys. It is super hot. I can't wait to go in and just have a cold drink. Appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button to show your boy some love. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.